In this RoutBot CNC application video, we will see how to move our CNC to the home location. We have a simple port, and we can see that right now our CNC is at a certain position, 2 inch in X, 2.1 in X, 186 in Y, and 0.5 in Z. What we wish to do is to move our CNC head at the home location, which is over here. To do that is quite easy. We go to Move and we select Move Home. The CNC will move the Z-axis to the home location, which is 0, because we are dealing with a milling machine, and it will move in the X and Y to the 0 home location.